Hello guys, welcome to Moneyline. In this video, I want to show you how you can use Masaniello money management app to trade 2 hours per day that will give you maximum profit at the end of your set target, let's say a month. And also in this video, I will share today's 2 hours. So stay tuned till the end of this video. Okay, first of all, what I need to do is to delete my previous project, the one that ended yesterday. I made a video about it and how much I made as profit. So I will delete this one, then set up a new project. Now, let's say you are new to this software, which is called Masaniello money management tools. What you need to do once you click on this site, I will leave the link in the comment section anyway. So once you click on it and you click on Masaniello, you click on the home page, will show your Masaniello. Then you click on the Masaniello. It will show this is what will display. Now in this place they put write initial budget is what you put your budget or the capital that you want to use to trade with. In my own case, I want to start with 500,000 naira. Okay, let me put on my marker so that I'll be able to illustrate what I'm showing you. This is what I mean. In this box, that is where you put your capital. Now in this other box where I mark yellow is where you put the number of days that you want to play. In our case, we want to play this game for 30 days, so you put 30 days here. Then where I mark blue is where you put the average odds you take in a day. So in this case, we are using 2 odds every day. Now where I mark red is your target days. How many days do you want to win to achieve your set target? In our case, we want to use maximum of 19 days. Okay, let me go back and insert those data. Now initial budget, my own is 500,000 naira. So you can start with any amount. You can start with 5,000. You can start with 100,000. Any amount that fits your budget. And why I'm using naira, because I'm a Nigerian. You can start with the currency in your own country, or you can start with dollars. Any amount you are free to start. And then the next thing is to put the total event. That means how many days do you want to trade. You put 30 days. Then here, how many odds, that's average odds, 2 odds per day. Then here, required guest events. You want to win at least 19 days out of 30 days in a month. You put 19 days here. Then you come down. Once you put all those data, it will tell you how much you make as profit. Now return on investment, which is this return on investment. Then balance, so your return on investment will be 9.9%. Okay, then in this box here, this box down below, you see where I'm tapping. This box here, that is where you name the project. Just put a name. In my case, I'm putting Moneyline Tip. So once you put the name, the way you save a file in your computer, once you put the name, you click on create Masaniello. Once you click on it, it will create your project for you. Now this is the project. You can see where this yellow here. Yeah, so this is your project now. What you need to do is, whenever you want to stake your bet, let's say you start the first day, you come here and you click on the name. Once you click on the name, it will display this page. Now you can see day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5 to 30 days that you set, as you can see. Now what you do is, your day 1, he has already set the 2 odds. You see where they write 2 here. This is your day 1. They've already set your 2 odds here. So now my budget was 500,000 naira, and the app or the software has already told me how much I will stake in my first day. He said I should stake 160,714 naira. So I'll copy this amount to my betting site and place a bet with this exact amount. Now let's say that, okay, let's go back to the betting site. Now this is my betting site. I've already selected the games for today. This is a total of 2 odds. Okay, if you are not on BetWinner, I will leave the link in the comment section. When you sign up with my link using my promo code, which is Moneyline, you will get 100% bonus on your first deposit, and also every Friday and Monday you'll be getting 50 and 100% bonus respectively, and then this bonus will be credited into your account immediately. Okay guys, that's all. So let me just book this game. One of the game was blocked. Let me add another game. Okay guys, these are today's game where we will use on that Masaniello app. Our first game today is in Uzbekistan Professional League, where Olympic Tashkent is taking on Factor Tashkent, and our prediction is under 30.5 goals. The second game on our league is in Lithuania A League, where Daniva Autos is taking on Sulai, and our prediction is under 3.5 goals. Then the third game on our list is in Argentina Primera Division, where Union de Santa Fe is taking on Defensa Justica, and our prediction is under 3.5 goals. The last game on our list is in Bulgaria APFG League, where Levski Kromograd is taking on Jemomo Bena, and our prediction is under 30.5 goals at full time, and that gives us a total of 2 odds. So I'm going to book this game before I stake my own. So this is the booking code for this game. The booking code is 2R60L on BetWinner. If you are not on BetWinner, I will leave the link in the comment section. When you use my promo code to register, you will get 100% deposit on your first deposit, and also a bonus of 100% every Friday and Monday. Okay guys, that's all for this game. Let me stake my own. As I told you, my budget was 500,000 on my Masaniello. So you told the software, I said I stake 160,714. So I'm going to copy this figure to my betting account, and then I will place a bet with this. amounts. Okay guys, that is I just placed my bet. You can also place yours, and I've shared the booking code with you. I'll also leave the booking code in the comment section, uh, and also sign up, register, so that you gain the 100% first deposit bonus that you are entitled to when you use my promo code, which is Moneyline. Thank you for staying tuned. If you have any question on how to use the Masalino app, kindly share it in the comment section. I will gladly reply you. Thank you for staying tuned.